Little Owl Kitchen Time. Phyllo with whipped cream. Step 1. Prepare the whipped cream. Follow the steps written on the box of whipped cream powder. For me, I put 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of milk, and 2 bags of whipped cream powder. Mix it until it reaches stiff peaks. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator. Step 2. Prepare the phyllo. Cover the tray with melted butter. Put 1 sheet of the phyllo pastry. Cover that with melted butter. Continue until there's no more butter and no more phyllo pastry. Put it in the oven until it becomes golden brown. Set it aside to cool. Step 3. Prepare sugar syrup. In a saucepan, put 1 cup of water. Add a cup of sugar, half a lime or lemon, and mix. Put it on the stove until it becomes thicker like syrup. Step 4. Pour the hot sugar syrup over the cooled phyllo. Then leave it in the refrigerator for at least an hour until it cools down. Step 5. Cut the phyllo pastry in 2 halves. Add whipped cream to one of the halves. Put the other half on top. Add the rest of the whipped cream and decorate it as you like. Cut it out and enjoy.